At least 550.
I'm thinking 525.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's to the wheels.
Yeah.
All right, you ready, Jack? Okay, so we have a 1971 Ford Ranger XLT Dodger Blue. This guy is a huge Dodger fan. If you look in the back here, this says it all. So it's kind of cool. He's got the Dodger blue and white, and then he's got this wood grain, which is kind of like a baseball bat. And so it's a pretty sweet little truck. Definitely a Dodgers fan from LA. And so we got the truck down here over at our friend's place, SpeedSports. And so Mark is going to help us strap it down. We're using the dyno machine just to see what the numbers are in the truck strictly. We've already done all of our tuning through Lund. We'll do one last little final check with tuning since we are going up to a little over 7,000 RPMs pulling on the Supercharger here. We also want to make sure everything's dialed in well, it works well, the fuel trims and everything are perfectly, because we know this guy's going to drive it. He's a driver. We're betting, we're not sure, we definitely believe it'll be over 500 to the wheels. We didn't go a super small pulley, so we're not going to put an enormous amount of boost in it just for the sake of this truck's light. Having that much boost, that much power, be unmanageable at best. And so we've kept the pulley with the Whipple Supercharger to the 3.875 pulley size, which should give us about 10 pounds of boost, I would guess, so that we can hopefully maintain control. So we're going to put it on the machine right now. We're going to see what it does, and hopefully nothing breaks. So I always worry about that part. That's like the one thing, like, please don't break anything.
So I'm going to get 4 here at 8,000.
6,500 RPMs. So we'll probably do one more.
Yep.
To about 7,000. We did a little data logging, recorded our first pull. We only went to 6,300 RPMs. Sent that in to Lund, had them recatalog it, and now we're going to do a pull 7,300, and that's going to be it. So we'll see what happens this time. So this is the big one. All right.
Tire height.
That's a little better. Yeah, it's pretty decent.
It's smooth all the way up too.
Yeah, it really does sound smooth. Yeah.
It's a good running truck. You could drive it back.
It's better than I thought.
Impressive.
Yeah, that last little adjustment helped. And it was,
Definitely screaming on there.
oh, that last 1,000 RPMs is,
It's a nail biter.
you're just like.
Get together, get together.
So we just finished up. We did the last pull. And with a few modifications, we hit 567.8. Not bad. We did it in a 4th gear pull, and we hit about a little over 150 miles an hour in 4th gear at the same time. So, which is a lot of power. Even in 3rd gear, at 7,300 RPMs, you're going to be, 120 miles an hour. So, very cool. Just goes to show what you can do with these old pickup trucks. You're probably not ever driving it that fast, but you've got a lot of power to get up and go and easily enjoy it and have a good time. It's screaming that last 1,000 RPMs. You can hear that motor just screaming, and it's pretty awesome. It's kind of an exhilarating feeling to be here, witness it, and watch it. So we would like to thank Mark at SpeedSports for letting us use his dyno machine. If you guys don't come here to get your tuning done, you're missing out. Mark's a great guy. He's been a good friend to let us come over, does a lot of LS tuning for us, keeps us up to date, and helps us do a few dyno pulls on the Ford. There you go, 567.8.